Hey everyone, today we are introducing a fun exercise called Cutting Down Tree, also known as the matchstick game. It's an interactive way to learn about resource management and the impact of deforestation.
That's right. In this game, you and your group represent forest guardians. The goal is to harvest as many trees as possible without depleting the forest. You use matchsticks to represent the trees, and the game is played on over 5 rounds, each round representing a year.
The rules are simple. You start with 12 trees and you must cut down at least 1 tree per round. But there's a catch. You can't talk during the game. At the end of each round, the forest regenerates, doubling the number of trees, up to a maximum of 20.
But if the forest is completely deforested, the game ends early. So you have to think strategically about how much to cut down and when. It's all about finding the right balance between harvesting and sustainability.
The fun part is that each group plays a little differently. Some might go for a more competitive approach, while others might collaborate to keep the forest alive. It's a great way to explore how different strategies impact the forest's health and longevity.
If you want to learn more about cutting down trees, check out the document link below. It has all the rules, materials and step-by-step instruction to play the game with your own group. Plus, there's a reflection section to help you think about the broader implication of deforestation and resource management.
Thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumb up, share it with your friend and subscribe for more interesting exercise methods. See you next time.
Bye!